Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming essentials. Make sure your iPhone is updated and backed up because system tweaks can revert settings. Once done, open Settings and navigate to Accessibility. This is where navigation behavior lives. Next, choose whether you're changing the home/gesture bar, control center, or toolbar appearance. That determines which menu to open. Make sure to note current defaults so you can revert quickly if the new layout isn't comfortable. Now you'll change the controls themselves. In Settings, go into the specific menus for home gestures or the control center and toggle the features you want. Once in Control Center, tap Edit, then add or remove shortcuts and drag to reorder so your most used items sit where your thumb naturally rests. If buttons feel small, go to Display and Brightness and Accessibility to increase contrast or enable larger text. These visual tweaks improve hit targets and reduce missteps. Finish by testing the new navigation layout across several apps to ensure gestures and bars behave consistently. Try swiping, tapping, and opening Control Center from different screens. If responses are sluggish, restart the iPhone to clear temporary glitches. Make sure to revert any single setting first if something breaks. Only reset navigation-related settings instead of a full factory restore. If issues persist after resets, update iOS or contact support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.